Hey, the Biochemistry Academy here. Today, let's talk about the biochemistry behind addiction. Now, there are some individuals that are addicted to one thing or the other. Well, addiction is simply an inability to stop using a substance or engaging in a behavior, even though it may cause psychological or physical harm. Now, to some, it might be drinking. To another, it might be smoking or even pornography or sex, and many will want to stop. Well, let's understand the biochemistry behind addiction. It should be noted first that the brain is a central organ that regulates many body functions that is taking place in the body. Now, there is a key molecule we should note that works in our brain, and such molecule is called dopamine. Now, dopamine is a crucial neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in reward, motivation, and pleasure. Now, there is a natural release of dopamine in our brain when we experience an achievement or a reward, or the feeling that is experienced during worship, or the feeling gotten from winning in a particular sport, or the feeling when you've accomplished a goal, or the pleasure that is experienced when you eat or drink a particular food. There is also a natural release of dopamine in sex between a husband and a wife. Now, when an individual leaves the normal release of dopamine by the brain and begins to expose him or herself to drug, substances, or images beyond normal, it alters the brain chemistry, now leading to an overproduction of this dopamine that leads to addiction. Now, when there is dependence on such substances, the brain then adapts to the presence of such substances, requiring more to achieve the same effect. Now, understanding these biochemical changes is vital for developing effective treatment. Now, for anyone to break free from such addiction, first is by separation. Now, separating from one's area of his or her addiction. Now, he or she needs to starve that area, but to do so, it is not by one's power though, because during the first few weeks, it was in one's power to actually stop, but after that, he or she will require a divine power from above to help him to separate. Arigato. See you in our next video.